Good day, my name is Mark Mellor. I'm an attorney here in Riverside, California. I wanted to speak with you briefly today on the distinctions between a Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy. I've got a number of clients right now that are facing issues of foreclosure, loan modification, short sale. I've also got clients facing issues in construction litigation or business litigation. So I wanted to give you some information in order to help you decide whether a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 filing is appropriate for you. The first distinction I want to make between Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 is that in a Chapter 7 filing, you can discharge all your debt, whereas a Chapter 13 filing, it's a repayment of a portion of your debt, whether that's 10 cents on the dollar, or 20 cents on the dollar, or 90 cents on the dollar. It really depends on the amount of creditors you have, the amount of debt you're carrying, and your ability to pay back that debt. The second distinction I think that's important to make for you is that in a Chapter 7 filing, you've got 90 to 120 days before the debt's discharged from the date of filing. Whereas in a Chapter 13, you're in a repayment program for that debt for a 3 to 5 year period. And that's, of course, dependent upon the trustee and what they decide. But again, the repayment period is longer, 3 to 5 years. The third distinction I think is important to make is that in order to qualify for a Chapter 7 bankruptcy filing and a discharge of all your debt, your income has to fall below the California median income range, including all dependents and all deductions. Your median income has to fall before the California median income. If it doesn't, then you're going to be forced into a Chapter 13 filing and Chapter 7 will be unavailable to you. I think finally, most importantly in a Chapter 7, Chapter 13 distinction that I want to make to you is that I have a number of clients that are considering the filing of a bankruptcy in order to do something called lien stripping, or strip the second from their home because their home is underwater and they want to remove the second lien or second encumbrance from their home. In order to do that, don't be fooled and don't be told by other attorneys that I've had informed clients that have come into my office that you can file a Chapter 7 and then eventually discharge or lien strip the second from your home. Lien stripping is an unavailable process in a Chapter 7 filing. If you're interested in lien stripping on your home, you must do that in a Chapter 13 filing. That's the only filing you can do in order to accomplish that goal. If you have any questions or would like some attorneys to look over your particular situation to help you out, feel free to give my office a call and set up a free consultation.